Did you know? Cranes are named after birds. Ever wondered where the name crane comes from? You might be surprised. Just like the elegant birds, cranes in the construction world are tall and slender with long necks, perfect for lifting heavy objects. Early inventors saw this similarity and named their machines after these incredible feathered lifters. So next time you see a crane, remember those elegant birds and how they look alike. Want to learn more about the amazing world of rigging? Follow us for more fun facts and industry insights.